Would you like to create a pre-employment testing platform like TestGorilla, Vervo, or HireVue? Let me introduce TalentScreen, a powerful AI-powered PHP script built with the Laravel framework. TalentScreen is the ideal solution for companies seeking to create a SaaS job skills assessment platform to monetize their tests, and companies looking to deploy in-house skills assessment software for their hiring processes. Powered by a robust Laravel framework and integrated with OpenAI's API, TalentScreen provides feature-packed functionality similar to major online testing platforms, enabling businesses to easily establish their own SaaS platforms. See how TalentScreen's dynamic and comprehensive toolkit can revolutionize your clients' hiring processes, helping them identify the ideal candidates. Let's take a quick tour of some of TalentScreen's features. The homepage provides a clean and customizable interface. TalentScreen comes with a theme management module that allows you to easily customize your current theme. You can also install new themes with a simple drag and drop. TalentScreen includes 2 professional themes by default. TalentScreen supports 3 roles: admins, subscribers, and candidates. Let's log in as an admin. The admin interface provides an overview of different aspects of the application. Here we can see totals for orders, employers, candidates, and tests. The Users module gives us the ability to manage all user types in the system. We can also manage invoices for employers here and view summaries for each employer. The Plans module gives you the flexibility to create as many plans as you'd like. You can configure multiple options for each plan and determine which application features should be available for each one. The Assessments module shows you all assessments created by employers. You can also create assessments here and assign them to employers. Manage invoices effectively with the Invoices module. Easily filter, view, and approve employer invoices as needed. Now let's take a look at the Test library. This is where you can create tests that employers can add to their assessments. You can organize your tests into multiple categories, with each test containing multiple questions in different formats. TalentScreen supports multiple choice, multiple selection, true or false, short text, long text, which can be evaluated by AI, and coding challenges. You can even try a test directly from this module. TalentScreen provides an AI question generator, allowing you to easily create questions for your tests using a simple text description. There is also a separate AI test generator feature that allows you to create multiple questions at once. With this feature, you can populate your test library with the click of a button. The question library allows you to create a library of common pre-assessment questions that employers can add to their assessments. TalentScreen comes with content management for articles, blogs, and documentation. The Settings section gives you multiple options to control various aspects of the application. Easily configure general information, registration options, AI settings, payment methods, currencies, languages. 25 languages are included by default, the theme, menus, and more. Now let's log in as an employer and take a quick tour of the employer section. When logged in as an employer, the first screen we see is the list of assessments, starting with the latest. We can search and filter assessments using the options at the top of the list. For each assessment, we can easily manage all candidates and invitations. The candidate screen provides 3 tabs. The first lets us see all the candidates who have successfully registered for the assessment. Here we can track each candidate's progress. The second tab lets us manage all the invitees for the assessment. Candidates can be invited using their email address and optionally their name. Public links can also be created here, allowing anyone to register for the assessment without an invitation. The invitation email can be resent and the link copied for an invitee. Back on the dashboard, we also see a Try Assessment button. This allows employers to try an assessment just as a candidate would. If an assessment has questions that require manual grading, a Mark Questions button will be available. Employers can also manage access to an assessment. This restricts what team members can see and interact with regarding the assessment when logged in. The Candidates section allows employers to easily view and search for candidates who have taken at least one assessment. The Test section allows employers to browse through the test library. An employer can preview a test to get a feel for the questions. Only a few questions will be displayed in the preview. Tests can be restricted by plan, so an employer may not be able to use a test depending on the plan they belong to. Employers can also create custom tests here. The type of test questions an employer can create will depend on their plan. The Questions menu option allows employers to browse through pre-assessment questions. Employers can also create custom questions for their company. Clicking the account name at the top right reveals more options. Here, an employer can manage their team, company, and subscription. Now let's take a look at the candidate features. Let's click an invitation link to see what a candidate will experience. If the candidate is not registered, the default page will prompt them to fill in their details. They will not need to enter their email address since it is already configured. However, If we click a public link, the candidate will be prompted to either register or log in with their existing account. Once registered or logged in, the candidate will see a list of all pending tests for the assessment. The candidate can then proceed to the intro video page, pre-assessment questions, if any, and webcam setup, if configured and supported by the employer's plan. They will then proceed to take each test. Candidates can also log in from the homepage. Here, they will see a list of all assessments they are assigned to by various employers. They can also update their profile. This brings us to the end of our brief TalentScreen tour. Please try out our fully functional demo by clicking the link in the description. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos about our products.